Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, we will be seeing a fish steak fried with pepper and basil marinade. Let's see the ingredients required. Pat dry the fish fillet. We've made a couple of gashes on it. Let's sprinkle a little pepper and salt. Now let's pat it dry and sprinkle a little pepper and salt on this side as well. Let this rest for another 10-15 minutes. We will make a paste of about 6 to 7 oregano leaves, fresh leaves, about 15-20 Thai basil leaves, about a tablespoon of pepper, salt to taste, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll be frying it in a tablespoon of butter along with some oil. Just shred it and add to the jar. We've added the fresh oregano, now the Thai basil leaves. We'll run the mixer grinder for a minute, then add the other ingredients. Adding a teaspoon of oil to the blender gives a very good consistency of the marinade. Now in goes the pepper, the ginger garlic paste. We'll add just a little salt because we've added already to the fish. We've added another tablespoon of oil. Now you can see it grinding nicely. Marinade is ready. Yeah. Let's take it out into a bowl. We've not added any water. We've added more than 2 tablespoons of oil. Adding water will make it very insipid. Don't make that mistake. Let's spread the ground paste onto the fish. We'll repeat with the second piece as well. We've made gashes. Smells lovely. Gently turn the pieces over and apply the marinade. Allow it to rest for about half an hour so that all the flavors are absorbed. Now I am going to gently turn this as well. This marinade has medicinal value. We've added oregano, Thai basil, pepper, all three very good for the cold. Don't forget to apply the marinade on the sides. We've coated it all very well. Let it rest for about 20-30 minutes and then we'll fry it on the tawa. The fish has marinated for almost half an hour now. So let's fry it. Since we're using butter, we're not going to wait for the tawa to get really heated. We don't want the butter to burn, so we'll add just a little oil to the butter. coat the entire base of the pan with the butter, and now we'll gently transfer the fish to the hot pan. You can get the flavor of the melting butter, so it's time to add the fish fillet. I can hear it sizzle, which means the temperature is just right. We'll add the remaining marinade as well. Gently tilt your pan so that the excess oil comes to a side, and keep drizzling it over the fish fillet. That enables the fish not to go dry, it will remain moist. It's to brown on both sides. It will take about 4-5 minutes. You need a little patience if you want a nice tasty fish fry. Don't ever flip the fish in a minute or two after you have dropped it on the pan. It needs to brown well. It will take about 3-4 minutes. Then you can flip it so that you'll be able to flip it without breaking it. We have not removed the skin. As you know, the fat of the fish is in between the skin and the flesh. By removing the skin, we're removing the fat as well. Drizzling oil on it, you're actually cooking on both sides. So when you flip it, the visible side, when you flip it, will not take too long. Wow. Now let the other side also brown. We will repeat the drizzling. It should be ready in another 30 to 40 seconds. Now you can see the cooked look of the fish. It no longer looks raw. Fish cooks very fast. Now it's done and we can switch off the gas. We've switched off the gas, but we will continue to keep it on the hot tawa. Keep it slanting so that all the excess oil and fat will gradually slide down to the side, and you will have a yummy, yummy fish fry ready. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meenman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meenman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.